Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with a set on a real person this time. My daughter wanted her nails doing and she wanted them square, so I've using the Glitter Bells matte square tips. I've already placed these on to save the video being too long, and then we're going to come in with the Glitter Bells dehydrator and the primer and place 2 coats on each finger. Once we've done that, we're then going to come in with a clear layer of Tears Beauty clear acrylic, and I always do this even though these are a nude set because it helps to keep the actual nail beds from the client putting their finger on the nails once you've already done the dehydrator and the primer. This can go on fairly quickly, so it's not going to put them oils back onto the nail plate. As we all know, clients are murder for doing this. So we're going to place this down on all the fingers, and then once we've done that, we're going to come in with Tears Beauty in Camisole. This is also a core powder, and we're going to put this down on every finger. And just in case you didn't know, you can actually get 10% off Tears Beauty using my code DC10. So I'm just literally laying down a very thin layer to begin with. I don't know why I do this, I just do. I find it easier for me to do the application doing the 3 bead method, but it's 4 beads. And if you miss any spots, which I'm sure I did on this, you can always go in with smaller beads and just mold them into it and make sure it's a nice smooth surface so it's less filing later on. You can see I'm coming in with that cuticle bead and tucking it right in to make it nice and flush and smooth, and so it prevents any kind of lifting. And then just pull the acrylic down to the finger edge, or fingernail edge I should say. And you can see I wasn't really happy at the tip. I didn't think it was sturdy enough, so I added a bit more on the tip to thicken that up to make sure the structure was sound, and smoothing it over. I don't normally put my filing routine in because I would generally work on the silicone hand, but because I was on a real human, I thought I would put it in. And my first steps is I will do the side walls and get them nice and straight, and once I'm happy with that, I'll then come in around the cuticle area and then I'll do the body of the nail. And then if there's anything else I need to do after doing those steps, I will go in and repeat any steps that is needed, as you'll see on the video. Now bear in mind I have sped this video up a fair bit just to keep it quite simple and quick video, because I know I'm murder, I don't really like watching long videos, so that's why I try to keep my videos quite short. As you can see, I wasn't exactly happy over them all, and then I do this underneath just to get any little remnants that's off. Then we're on to the painting. So I'm using my iMix paint mixer or nail polish mixer to make sure they're all done. And then the first colour we're going to come in is the Strawberry Milkshake from Glitter Bells, and we're going to place this down on both the little fingers, making sure to cap that edge. And the second colour we're coming in with is 2 AM London polish, which is called Loyal, which is a very pale purple. Although on the camera I feel like it does come off grey, I assure you it is a very, very pale purple. This actual polish is really nice to work with. Both systems are really nice to work with, but I get better results with the paler colours with the 2 AM, and I do struggle with pastel colours. And then the next colour we're coming in with is Rainy Cloud, also from Glitter Bells, and we're just going to put this on the pointy finger. To make sure you're capping all the edges and just making sure it's nice and flush to that cuticle. And then we're just coming in again with the second coats of all the polishes. And then we're on to the next hand, doing the exact same thing again. Once they've all cured, she wanted a matte, so this is my favourite matte top coat, and we're going to matte top coat all the nails. And although she was happy with the matte, she still wanted them a little bit more matter, so we just come over with a very old matte buffing block, which then gives an even more matte finish. And once we're done with that, we're going to remove all the dust and send her off to wash her nails. And then we're going to use those 3 colours again, put them on the palette and taking a dotting tool, and then we're going to just make some little flowers with it. I do have to apologise for a couple of things. One, it just kept going out of focus and I didn't realise when I was filming, and 2, my memory card got filled but my camera didn't actually give me a warning, so I didn't manage to actually film everything. Basically we're just doing these flowers on the ring finger and the thumb on both hands in the same way, doing a blue dot, then the house petals being purple, then the next one is a pink dot with the blue dots around it, and you can see I wasn't happy here, so after that I did decide to make her put it in the lamp when I was happy for the 5 seconds, just to give it a quick set, so if there was a mistake again I could go in and clean it up. And here we are with the blue dots around, and then the next one would be a purple dot with the pink petals. And that's more or less it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd really appreciate it if you would comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.